Good evening, sir.
Really, my apologies, I got late. Okay. So,
Good evening, sir.
very good evening. My screen is visible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So yesterday we were discussing on the BDC. We created a recording. Based on the recording, we created the class. We created the program, and in the program we have done the modification. And we saw that whatever file we are getting uploaded, it is creating the material. Okay. So the error handling part was not done. Okay. So today we will be doing the error handling part. So, so the error handling. Okay. So this is my work area. Okay. I want to define another work area for the result ALV. Okay. I need the status field, status, then message 1, type string, message 2, type string, message 3, type string, message 4, type string, and here probably status type C length 4. Okay, so this is my result ALV. Here I'm using include type device upload. That means all these fields are already been included here. Then I created one more field for status and 4 messages. So what will happen when we do a upload? There will be multiple messages being raised. Okay, so in that case, maybe 10 messages or 20 messages or 1 messages, we don't know. So max 4 messages we will be displaying. Okay, so now anyhow I'm getting the messages here. Okay, fine. So my work area is ready. I want a internal table type tyt upload result type standard table of tys upload result initial size 0. And here gt upload result by t upload result. Okay. And here result result. So I define the internal table for the result and I defined a work area for the result. Okay. So now I build the data. Here I can write move corresponding GS upload to GS upload result. Who can explain me this syntax? What this syntax will do? Guys, what this syntax will do? Move corresponding GS upload to GS upload result.
The key values of GS upload will be moved to GS upload result.
What are the field value that will be moved? Which field value will be moved from here to here?
In messages.
So move corresponding we already discussed. Okay, so move corresponding will copy the value from here to here. Okay, so GS upload is a structure type or work area. It has this many field, and GS upload result has this many field. So when we say that copy of the data or data will be moved from here to here, that means whatever the common field name are there, only common field name value will be moved from here to here. That means the common between these two structure is these 5 fields: material number, material industry sector, material type, UOM, material group, and description. So for those columns, whatever value are here, for those columns that will be copied to here for those field. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay? Or let me show you otherwise. I have to modify the file. Okay, so I'm uploading the file. It's taking 81. Okay, so now GS upload has this many value. Okay. Now if I go to GS upload result, it's empty. So I will do move corresponding. So what will happen? So if I see here move corresponding, copy the value only for this field: material number, industry sector, material type, UM, material group, and description, because move corresponding will copy the value between the field whose name is same. So in the source structure, there is a field called UOM, and in the target structure also there is a field UOM. Then UOM value will be copied from source to target. Okay, so if the field name in the source is UOM and the field in the target is unit of measure, it will not copy the value. Move corresponding will only move or copy the value between the field where the name in the source and target is same. So this whole field are copied because these names are same in both the structure. So is it clear, guys, what move corresponding is doing? Is it clear,
Yes.
everyone? Okay. Well, okay, fine. So let's say I'll run everything in background mode. Okay. So how do I know that my structure, or sorry, how do I know that the BDC call is success? How do I know if there is no error messages, right? So here I can write loop at GT messages into GS messages. Okay. Message where MSG type equal to A or E or MSG type equal to A. Okay, so I am looping at a GT message. I am looping at GT message where the message type is E. Okay, or message type is A. What is the message type? E means error. A means abend. Okay, so I'm checking GT message if there is any error message or there is any abend message. If that is the case, then error happened during material creation. Okay, then GS upload result. Okay, so probably here status icon and here status. Okay, to build. So now if there is error, then status equal to error. Okay, and here count I GV count is 0, add 1 to GV count, case GV count when 1, then GS upload result message 1 equal to the message. Okay, and when 2, when 3, when 4. Okay, fine. I'll explain the code, guys. Give me a moment. GT messages is unknown. Okay. So now I'll put a breakpoint. So if I go to GT messages, guys, these are the messages being raised, right? Everybody understood what is this GT messages? Everyone? We discussed on this yesterday. Anybody has any doubt here? What is GT messages here? Here the syntax is messages into GT messages. Everybody is clear? What is the syntax and what is the use? Guys? Guys, am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is two messages being erased. Okay. So is there any error type messages? Any error message raised? Guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not. So if there is a error message here, that confirms that the creation is not successful. Okay? Creation is not successful. So that's why I'm doing a loop here, guys, to find out the error messages. Okay? To find out the error messages. Is this loop is clear to you? Is this
Yes, sir.
clear? Everyone, are you able to get why I have written a loop statement here?
Sir, can you give us just short brief on that loop statement?
Sorry,
So can you give a little explanation on this
little
loop
more.
statement?
Okay, so so GT messages has the message list, whatever been raised during the run of the BDC. It's clear till that point. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if there is a error message raised, then the message type will be E. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if this GT message internal table has a row where the message type is E, so what does it mean?
That the record is not created successfully.
Not created, there is a error occurred. Okay, right? So we have to tell the user that there is some issue and we have to display that message in front of a ALV, that first row, this is the message. Due to this message, it is not created. For second row, this is created or not created, and like that. So we have to tell the user that which of the record got created, which are not created. If not created, what is the text or what is the message being raised? Okay, so that's the intention here, because user is uploading the file, he should know if he's uploading 10 records, out of 10 records, how many are getting created, how many are not. If it is not getting created, what is the message being raised? He has to know that, so that he can do the correction in the file and upload again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So here what we are doing, if there is an error message, that means the process failed. And we have to display that messages, right? So here what I'm doing a loop statement where message type is E. E means error, A means abent. Okay, both are the error situation. So if I'm doing a loop to find out the messages which ended with error so that I can display those error message text to the user. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here line number 125. Is it clear? Line number 125. I added a status field in the internal table. I want to display result ALV. Okay. That result ALV, I have added a field called status. So which shows whether that upload of that particular row is success or not. Okay. So status I am assigning E. Right. Why I am assigning E in line number 125?
Because that yeah,
Because
that
this is
material
inside
number
this
got
loop. Yes, correct. That ended with error. I am inside the loop. If this loop is running, that means there is an error or append message. That means the process failed. Okay. So that's why I'm assigning status as E. Okay. Status as E. It's clear. Now just leave this point. I'll tell later. Okay. Now let's come to GT message. So here what we have is a message ID. What is message ID, guys? Message class. SC91 message class, right? And this is the message number 307, let's say. So material already maintained for this transaction event. Okay, fine. But this internal table, in this internal table, do I have this message text here? Material already maintained for this transaction event? No. What I have the message ID, I have the message number, I have the variable, 4 variable. Okay. But I don't know what is the text because I have to display the text. User will not understand what is M3, what is 307. He doesn't understand. Okay. He want to see this text. Okay. So this text is available in the system. If we go to M3 and 307, if we pass these two things, we know what is the text, but that text is not available in the messages internal table. So we have to derive that text. Okay. So for that, text. Yeah, probably we have to check the function module. Function module to get message text from ID SAP. Okay, and here message text to build. I'm getting a help here. Let's see. Message text build. Let's see if it was, yeah, message ID. Message ID is, let's say, M3. Message number is 307. Execute. Material number already maintained this transaction event. So I'm able to get this text. Okay, so I can use this function module here inside my program to fetch the message text from the message ID and message number. So here I can pass GS message ID, GS message number. There is 4 variable. What are the variables in message? We also covered it. Okay, so this function module will give me the message text by passing message ID, message number, variable 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have the message text. So message text may be this or this or this. So now I have the text. So I can display the text to the user. Is it clear, guys? Why I'm calling this function module? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now what I told, there can be 2 messages, 4 messages or 10 messages. Okay, we cannot display all the messages. We can show maximum 4 messages. Okay, so let's say there is 10 messages being raised. Out of 4 messages, we'll display all these 4 messages only. Okay, so now that's why I have clearing GB count as 0, and each time this loop is run, it will increment. So first time it will be value is 1. So if GB count value is 1, then I should assign the value GB message to message 1. If it is running for second time, let's say there is 2 error message, then first message will go to message 1, second will go to message 1. So if it is 10, I can get first 4 messages into this 4. Okay, then I can write append GS upload result to GP upload result. Okay, clear. Okay, is this thing clear,
Repeat this,
guys?
when 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come again.
Sir, repeat. Only this one, sir. When that case statement.
Case statement, right? So I am inside the loop. Okay, let's say there is 10 error messages. So this loop will run multiple times. 10 times it will run. When it run for the first time, the GB count will be 1, because here is the 0. It's run for the first time, GB count will be 1. Then I got the message text. So the first message will go into which column of my result? Message 1, because I have only 4 field. Even if there is 10 messages, I cannot display 10 messages. I can max display 4, right? So the first error message will go to
Message 1.
the message 1. The second time the loop will run, that error message. Now, if I assign it to message 1, again, that will be overwritten. The first message is gone, right? So first, I don't want to overwrite the first message. First message will be there. The second column, message 2, I will assign the error message. If the loop is running for third time, it will be assigned to third. If the loop is running for the fourth time, I'm assigning the error message to message 4. Okay. Then I am appending to here. Okay. So this is the case we are handling if there is a error. If there is a error. Okay. So now let me put a breakpoint. Okay. So now guys, is there any error message?
No.
No. So can I consider it as a success? 90% time you can consider, but here let me go and see this message M3307. Material orally maintained for this transaction event. So when this error is coming, guys, we have got these messages multiple times. So in which scenario this message is getting raised? If there is a material with this number test 12390, this material is already there. I'll go and create a material with the same number. Then I'll get this error. If I give a new number which does not exist, it will not give me the error. Okay. So if we are giving a material number which already exists in the system, it will give me this error. Okay. Is it clear? This error is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, in my case, M3307 message is getting raised. Even if the message type is success, really my material creation is success or failure?
Failure.
Failure, right? So here, what I can do, so I have to, in most of the cases, it's not required, it's very rare, okay? But still you have to take care. So here I can write read table GT messages into GS message with E MSG ID equal to M3 and MSGNR equal to 307 if psi subversive equal to 0. That means record exists. Then what does it mean? She move corresponding GS upload to GS upload result. GS upload result status equal to E. And same, I can call this append GS upload result to GT upload result. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let us debug it. Now in GT message, this type is error. This type is error. Okay, that's fine. We are getting an error message. Let's see what is the text. So text is the group data for material is locked by this. There is a error message, a new error message getting raised. Okay, so not a problem. Now we are assigning to message 1 up into GT upload result. Okay, so if I go here, now I have this data from here to here is from the file data. Now this status is E and message 1 is this. Okay, so I got it. There is an error message. Clear message, that fine. Now it is going for the next record. Okay, I think the next record will not be ended with error. So let us prepare some wrong data. Okay, so that we can see the error handling. Our focus is the error handling. Okay. So now GT messages. So now we are getting this success message. That doesn't mean it is a success. Okay, guys, I have added my code in the wrong place. This part of the code should go here after the loop. Okay, after which loop? Error loop. Let's activate, execute. There is no error message, but this condition M3307, this will occur when the material number we are giving already exists. Okay, so now this condition is not getting satisfied because we have forgot to add one every time this runs. So here we can do add 1 to GB count. This was missing. Let us run one more time. GB count is 0. So now it is 1. The message text I got here, material already maintained, and that been saved to message 1 and GT upload. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see. I put F8. Now I have the status. All are is success. Sorry, all are is error, and this is the message. Okay, fine. So let's go back. Okay, now guys, I have one loop here. This loop is taking care of the error messages. did this read statement is taking care of the material number which already exists, right? So now there will be situation where this error didn't happen, right? Error didn't happen and the record is got created successfully. Okay. So in that case here, if GS upload status not equal to E, then GS upload status equal to success. Who understood this block of code? Who understood this code?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who understood this piece of code? Okay. So let's say there is a error message. Okay. Give me a moment, guys. This taking time. Disconnected. Don't want this. Okay. And also I don't want this. Okay. So guys, let's take a scenario where there is a error message. Okay. Then the message type will be E or A. In that case, the value of status will be E. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So GS upload status field is error. Okay. Let's say, so in that case, if the status field is E, will this condition will be satisfied?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. No. That is fine. Let's say there is no error message, but there is this message M3307, which means the material number already exists. In that case, the status will be E, right? Status will be E. So will this condition will satisfy?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. So when this condition will satisfy? When there is
If
no
there is
error
no error.
message, plus there is not that particular message. So what does it mean?
If the status is not error, then it is success.
Success. So that's why I'm assigning S, and here I can write append GS upload result to GT upload result. Okay, let me activate it, and here let me go to the file. One record I'll maintain as correct. Okay, this one I'll maintain as 91, and here I go to GT upload record. Total 9 record. Why 9 record? This is 10 record only, right? So 91 is not captured. Okay. Okay, let me check. Maybe I missed something. Probably here I have to clear it. Every time one record is getting processed, I have to clear this GS upload result. Maybe that is the issue. Okay, I'll maintain one good record, that is 92. 91 is already created. Okay, let me see if that fix the issue. Here is success. One record is success, all 9 are failure, right? So now this to this status is E, and here this is success, right? So I have built the data, right guys? I have built the result table. Now I have to display it. Okay. So here I can do perform display result ALV. Here you can write okay guys, so I don't want to spend time building the field catalog again. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create a structure that will be easy for me. Okay, so ZMM, you can also do in the real time. Okay, MM material creation result. Okay, so this is the structure. Material creation result, and here what are the fields I have? Industry sector, industry sector, material type, unit of measure, material group, material creation result. Again, I have to copy everything. Copy and partner industry sector. Material type is MTRT, OM is mines, material group is MATKL and MAKTX. Okay, then we have a status. Z flag, or we can create Z gen the status. Okay, then I have message 1, message 2, message 3, and message 4, and here data type is string, field label is message. Let me click message text. Do it. Okay, now I'll use this in my ALV. So here, display, reuse ALV, grid display, and here GT upload result, and here what I need is structure name. Okay, so now there is one issue here. One issue is the length is not correct. Column width of the ALV is not correct. How can I fix that? So here we can define the layout, ls layout, the type of this list layout will be, and ls layout column width optimize to ABAP Pro, and here is layout equal to ls layout. Okay, so now the width is correct. Still, there is something not good in the look. We can enable the zebra layout. Okay, so zebra equal to ABAP Pro. Let me remove the breakpoint, but there is somewhere the breakpoint is there. Here. Okay, so now this is the result. Okay, so we do one thing, add one more field to the structure, and that is status icon character 4. And here what I can do, there is a type group available, guys. Okay, here if I go icons, icon, these are the type available. Okay, so this I can do here. GS upload result status icon equal to icon. I have to define the type pools. Yeah. Type pools icon, and the icon name I have to provide icon green light, not green light, this is red light. Red light, same here, it is also error, so red light, and here this is green light. Let me run it. It's not coming in the output. It's not coming in the output. Why? Status icon is there. Status icon is there. So what's the problem? Material industry sector, base unit, description status is not coming. Why? Let me try to create ZHND status icon. Status icon. It is not coming. Upload layout, upload result. Message 1, 2, 3, 4. Message correct only. What is the problem? Okay, let me use this as a work area here. Okay. Let me pass a random value A. Random value A. Random value A. It's not coming. Okay, still not coming. No problem. We'll do a field catalog merge. LTF cat types list T cat ALV. And here we'll do field catalog merge. And here I don't want to pass the structure name. Here I'll pass field cat. LT field applet. Okay. Let me see if we're getting the column. No, still it's not getting field catalog. What is the problem? Let me put a breakpoint. Only 11 columns are coming. Here it is 12 column. You can add one here. LSF cat types with field cat ALV. LSF cat field name equal to status icon. LSF cat cell text S equal to status ML append LSF cat to LP F cat. Let's see if we're getting, we should get now this time. Here is the status, now it is coming. Okay, so now here we'll be using the icon. So we can use icon red light and Red light is for error. On red light, and no, this is success. Icon green light. This is red light. This icon red light. I'll explain what is icon red light and green light. Okay. So let me run it. Okay. So now you're able to see a status here with some icon. Okay. And let me maintain a correct record. So now this one is green. Okay, this is red. So this thing is coming from using the icon type group. If you want to see which icon is this, here you can see this icon dummy, icon check, icon incomplete. These are the name. So here icon green light, yellow light, and red light. Okay, three are there. So I'm using green light and red. Red is for error. There is also a table, I guess. Icons. No. Icon. And here if you go, you are able to see the icon. What are the list of icon available? So this is green light and this is red light. Okay, so we have the error. So for error, we are showing red light. So it's more on the presentation side, okay, how you want to present. So now by looking at this ALV, I know that which of the record got success and which got error. Here also, we can maintain something like, let's say everything is success. We can maintain here JS upload result message one is material creation successful. I run it. Material creation successful. So this is how we do a error handling in the BTC. Is it clear, guys? Or any question?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you show us a scenario where case 2, case 3, case 4 are executed?
No, not for this. Which case?
Sir, there was a statement which you talked.
Here,
Yes, sir,
right?
this one, when one, yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
no,
currently,
this
when one is only being executed, right?
only one. Yeah. So this I'm doing in a broader manner, like there will be this BTC is not limited to MM01, right? You can, as we discussed, you can do it for customer creation, you can do it for sales order creation and all. Okay, maybe MM01 we are getting only one message. So only one message is getting. You in future you may doing a BTC for customer creation. You may get 4 messages or 5 messages. In that case, this scenario will be executed. In our case, for MM01, currently we are not getting multiple error message. So this will not be executed. But it scenario may come, we cannot say. If there is 5 error message been raised, then this scenario will be executed. But it is not coming now.
The 5 message for a single product, right? Sorry, single
Can be.
material.
Can be. You cannot say.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so what's happened when we call this kind of scenario? Maybe there is multiple error messages arises. We don't know. Okay, so in that case, this condition will be satisfied. Okay, guys. Sobaga, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So there is this we have learned using call transaction. Okay, there is another way of doing a BDC. Okay, so that will be checking on Monday. Otherwise, things will be like overlap, right? Call transaction and session. So I'll stop the class here today. Okay, have some practice. On Monday, we'll have the second option for the BDC, that is a session method. Okay.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, when we are uploading that Excel file,
Yes.
it is only being displayed using internal table, right? Or it is being stored in the database?
No. So it's only in the internal table. So if you want to store in the database, again you have to write the modify statement. So that modify statement to DB table we haven't learned yet. That will be learning in the module pool. Okay,
Sir,
but it is possible.
Sir, if it is being stored in internal table, then at least one time it should show that the data is successfully created for at least one material number.
No, I didn't follow. Come again.
Sir, open that Excel file.
Yes.
Sir, here that test 12380 should at least one time show that it is created.
This we created manually, no, yesterday with 80.
Okay, sir. So at least that side we created manually. So when we are uploading this file, it's showing that it is already created.
Yes, because it doesn't matter if you are creating manually or programmatically or something, but if with the number you are giving that is already there, and one material is there, it will not allow. So it is not allowing. We created this manually yesterday, 80.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. So guys, this is how we do the error handling, okay, in the ALV. So tomorrow we'll see the, not tomorrow, on Monday,